here with national coach Connie Francis. Connie, you finished 8 of 8. Your thoughts?
I mean, the girls finished 8 of 8. I mean, I just love what I witnessed, you know, from day one up to now. I've seen young players develop into world-class players. You know, the future looks so bright for them. They work as a unit. They were able to execute. The game wasn't flawless, but one thing I can tell you, the energy level throughout the entire tournament was really at the highest point.
What were some of the things that stood out for you that you possibly should work on over the next couple of months?
8 of these girls going into Fast 5. I thought that I was a bit hesitant to think that they weren't fit enough. But what I've witnessed today, I think that they're ready with fitness. It's about nurturing these girls to ensure that nourishment, traveling, things like that, stipend, is, you know, to encourage these girls to continue with our program. They're doing extremely well. They gravitate to coaching and they are willing to learn. So it's only, I mean, we need people to really back them because the future looks very bright for these girls.